welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for your continued love and your support. Thank you for all the people that I have so far connected with so much that it's becoming so natural and such a norm because we slowly and day by day try to get to familiarize ourselves with one another, get to know each other, and by understanding our daily routine. And for that, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very, very much. I do not take it for granted at all. And for those who also know me very personal as well, like real up close and personal, you know who I am, and you stay in touch and you show your love and your support. I genuinely, sincerely appreciate it from my heart. And I could never disregard that. Even the day when I should stop posting, I will always be thankful and always be grateful. Now, today is a very hot and bright and beautiful day. Despite the fact that it's tremendously hot, I am not going to complain and I'm not going to go outside. Yes, I appreciate the weather. I'm more of a person anyway that I kind of like it balanced, a little bit like cool, where I'm not like struggling to breathe. But despite whatever weather it is, I'm grateful because not many people got the opportunity to live to see the weather, to complain about the weather. So the fact that we can actually be here to see the weather, then that is a bonus. And all thanks be to the Lord. I am naturally a person that sometimes like my own space. I do like my own moments, and especially when I have a very challenging week at work, even a very good week at work, it doesn't matter. There are times in our life that we need to learn to balance it out, and that's why putting yourself as well. Well, we need to put the Lord first in everything, and then we also need to focus on ourselves. We're not able to deliver unless we get ourselves together, get ourselves aligned in the way that we want to get it aligned with. And not many people will understand that. Not many people even try to sit back and to compose that. They might find it a bit weird. It's not weird. I had a conversation, I remember a few days ago, and a person says to me, "You're quite stern." But understandable, understanding that I am quite stern, but not in a way to make one. I just have a kind of a pattern, and I've got like structure how things should be done, and that's just it. But I literally smile at that because one, the person did not take my sternness too personal, so that was like such a bonus for me. I really like that, to be fair, because I can be like that. But at the end of the day, I just, and again, it's all about taking that time out. And I just want to say that God has been really, really good. I've seen areas where all of us, we have been in places before where we're no longer at. And who could that be? That must be the Creator himself above, because trust me, Satan is out there trying to mess up a lot of people, and our young people as well, emotionally and mentally. We need to check in with one another. We need to. Yeah, we really need to. So let's not get carried away with everything else that is out there in the world, but let's stop a little bit and pause. And I kept saying that from the other day because I felt like that's the road that I will be going on. Stop, pause, reset, and come back again at some stage. So, with that being said, everyone that has subscribed to my channel, please know that I genuinely appreciate you for clicking on the subscription button and for watching my videos. And if you had shared my videos as well, I appreciate it. And if you had told someone and says, "Hey, could you watch this channel?" I appreciate it. The same, you give me a like, I appreciate it. You don't comment, that's okay. You have actually sit down and literally watch it, but you can also comment as well, just so you know. And and if you enjoyed it, majority of my videos will always be about when I'm probably going to work, which should be very inspiring. So lots of people having a coffee. Many of you would already know that I literally cannot kickstart my day in that office without a coffee. And secondly, I love to encourage people, as I encourage myself. But I'm a really genuinely nice person, but I also not a pushover. So I don't like people really taking advantage of me at all. I can get a little bit, the barrier will be put up there, and then yes, we go put the barrier up. We don't want people to take advantage of us. Hey, so the other day I literally say that whenever you see someone, you can compliment them and say hi to them. Listen, I actually did that again. And let me tell you something. So I was on the train, right? And this girl, she worked on the train, so she came to open something or whatever. And she was really pleasant and everything, but she also, like, I could sense a bit of sadness. So as I was about, like, when the train reached where it's going, I was like, you look so amazing and you've got such great she was like, oh my god, thank you so much, that will really uplift my day. I've been feeling so down all day. I was like, you see what I'm saying? So let's focus on those who is going to receive it. How is it that they receive the message? We need to focus on that. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because even if they don't receive that person, it's fine. It's how you also delivered it, and the fact that you've delivered it, that's the most important thing. And I get off that train, I felt amazing, because one, she looks like she was having a hard day. Yeah, probably she was working for 12 hours, hon. We don't even know. Do you know what I'm saying? So let's just try to show an act of kindness by even just saying something without finding faults of people, because majority of the time we find too many faults. We just need to, like, eliminate fault finding faults for one day and just approach the situation quite differently and try to put your foot into somebody else's shoes, because you literally have no idea what people are going through, because they smile, they look amazing. Yeah, I get that all the time, like, oh, you look so gorgeous. I'm like, yeah, probably having a headache and you don't even know because they don't show it. You know what I'm saying? So let's just try to do that. And I just want to say to all of you that subscribe to my channel, you're very special, you're very unique, you are your own person, you can create your own bubbles. Do not let anyone speak badly about you or to you in your life. Even if they do, you don't have to accept it, because you know who you are, you know what you're capable of, and you know what you're not capable of. And to be honest with you, I think we're capable of anything if we try to apply the ability and the blessing and the skills and talent that the Lord has given us. Yes, that's what we need to do. With that being said, I won't be doing any cooking. I'll still be waiting for my mom to cook. Yes, and she'll be doing that. I'm sure she'll be doing something wonderful. I'll show you. Okay. Oh, you can hear the pot. You can hear the pot on the fire. Dinner is almost cooked. Well, Mommy's going to share, isn't it, Mommy? Right, definitely. So I had an amazing rest. Just run up some turkey neck, curry turkey neck, and pigtail is in there. So that's what's going to be for dinner. And of course, got the bag of ice because it's so hot. And then later on, depending on our vibes, we may have a little bit of champagne. So yeah, quite a very relaxed. Oh my god, this is really, really the natural. Have you not seen that? This is just me when I am off and I'm home and I'm in my comfort zone. The hair is not on fleek. Okay. And it's going to be shared out into that plate that I bought. Do you guys remember when I was coming from work the other day and I stopped into the shop and I bought these 2 plates because they were really, really nice? That's what she's going to share it out in. I had to pull off the hair. The heat is on point. Like, it's so hot. And why is the fan blowing extra hot heat? It's natural anyway. It happens like that. If you got AC in your house, oh, you are one lucky person. There's no AC up in here. That looks amazing. Can't wait to show you what I'm having for dinner. So this is dinner. It is served. This is Mommy, tell the people I'm not. Listen, my mom is really tired, but to be fair, differently from being tired, she is not a person that likes to speak on any videoing at all. Yes, because even on your channel, am I not the one that has to be talking? Are you paying me?
Of course.
With the food.
Of course.
So this is curry turkey neck with some pigtail as well. We've also got some vegetables here and avocado, because I do love avocado. One thing in the UK, I mean, I literally struggle to get a decent one, but if I get one and we can just peel it off, we're gonna go with that. So this is dinner, and I do give God thanks and praise at all times. He continually provide for us no matter what. And I do pray, we pray for those who are in need right now. We pray that the Lord will send help to them. So thanks, Mother, for dinner. Okay? Thank you. Yes, yes. Is served, and I am going to just pack a glass with some ice right now. and some drinks. Okay, yes, the pot cover is putting down, so we don't worry about the pot cover is going down. Thank you guys so much for my newest subscriber, and also for reaching out and letting me know that you've applied on the subscription button. Yes, I truly appreciate that. We are growing, we're all growing, and let's continue to grow one to another, and stay connected one to another with respect and great adoration. I strongly believe in that. Okay, so it's time to unwind with some hot dinner and just relax. Yeah, that's if we can even relax under the fan, right?
Sweating.
Yeah, mom is sweating. Let me not keep mom waiting too long. Okay.